अगर उनको नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है। उसके बाद इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए वी नीड टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। सो दिस इज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास। और कैमरा सबसे अच्छा होता है आपके डर को ख़त्म करने के लिए, ठीक है। सो वट एवर हेजिटेशन यू हैव दैट वी कैन वर्क ऑन इट। तो दिस इज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन क्लास, विल गेट टू नो। हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे एंड दैट ऑल द थिंग्स you can answer. So we'll start from here. So how are you?
I am fine, sir.
So please introduce yourself. Tell something about yourself. You can take it off, your mask, you can take it off.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankul. I live in Mampur, Bana. I have completed intermediate and this year less my marks and so repeat again intermediate.
Okay, good. So what do you want to become?
I want to become bank manager.
You want to become a bank manager?
Yes, sir.
You want to earn more money?
Yes, sir.
So bank manager earns more money?
Yes, sir.
Do you have some other dreams also? Bank manager and anything else that you want to become?
Yes, sir. I want others dreams in businessman.
Achha, you want to become a businessman?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Which type businessman like? What would you like to start?
Mobile sales business.
Achha, mobile. You want to
Yes,
open mobile shop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. My good wishes. So please introduce yourself.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kazirado. I live in BKT. Nowadays I am doing graduation and
So how are you improving your English? How are you learning English?
I'm watching videos and I practice a lot.
So what is the best way of learning English? According to you, what is the best way of learning English?
The best way of the learning English, it's depend on the practice.
So how do you practice? How do you do English speaking practice?
I talk with my maternal uncles.
Okay, good. Your maternal uncle speaks in English?
Yes, sir.
Good. So do you talk to him every day?
No, sir. After 2 days or 3 days, I talk to him with a 1 hour or 1.5 hour.
So, so does he praise about you?
Yes, sir.
Like you are speaking good or you need to improve your English?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor and anything else?
I don't want to share anything.
You like teaching?
Yes, I also like
If you
teaching.
get opportunity of teaching, will you start teaching?
Yes, I will start teaching and I will do my best.
Good. And please introduce yourself. If you take it off your mask, then it
sir,
will
it's okay.
It's okay. We can hide our hesitation. So please introduce yourself.
Good morning everyone. My name is Akash Verma. I live in Defense Colony, Bakshi Ka Talab. Currently I am doing a BTech from GCRG group of institute. That's all.
So what do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become a government servant so that I want to serve for my country.
So like which type government servant do you want to become?
For service for like Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, to serve our country.
Okay. So are you doing something for becoming a government employee?
Yes, I am taking classes for CDS, FCAT and many more exam papers I solve. After that, after graduation, I want to clear the exam.
So from when you have started learning English?
So I learned English 1 week later.
Before 1 week. So you talk in English with anyone?
Yes, sir.
With whom do you talk in English?
My brothers, my parents, I know very well. So I.
You talk in English with your family members. Okay, great, good. So how are you?
Fine. How are you, sir?
I am great. So you always keep this earbud. You show people that I have earbud.
No, sir. I use it.
You use?
Yes.
But in class you don't use. In class we don't allow to use. Where
Yes,
do
sir.
you use?
That's why in traveling.
In traveling?
Yes, sir.
When you travel, that time you use.
Yes.
Okay, so please tell something about yourself.
My name is Atiq Asma Hasan. I live in Bholapura, BKT, Lucknow. Nowadays I am pursuing BLLB honors.
From where?
From Misrik Sitapur. The college name is Sri Chand Bhagwan Law Degree College.
So why the people who are living in Lucknow, they like to study in other states, other districts? They don't study in Lucknow. What is the reason behind?
Sir, the reason behind is that in my case the reason behind that we don't want to go regular college. That's
So you always wear white and black,
Sir-
white shirt, black pant.
sir. Nowadays I'm practicing in court,
Okay.
so that's why it's.
So
my
what is
dress.
your dream? What do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become senior lawyer.
Senior lawyer you want to become. You are
Yes, sir.
preparing for that.
Yes, sir.
Great, good. So please tell something about yourself.
My name is Mansi. I am from Devri Rukhara VKT Lucknow, and now in present time I am doing graduation.
Where are you doing graduation from?
I am doing graduation from Kanpur University.
Not from Lucknow.
Sir, from Lucknow, Kanpur University.
Lucknow from Kanpur University. Lucknow is in Kanpur or Kanpur is in Lucknow?
Sir, my brother filled this form.
Your
so
brother
I don't-
applied form.
Yeah.
So is your brother studying for you or are you studying?
Sir, I'm studying for myself, but it's not my goal. It's my short-term goal, so I applied.
So what is your long-term goal? What do you want to become?
I want to become an army officer. So
Okay, good.
only it's my short-term goal. So I doing graduation and I'm focus on my goal.
Okay, great. So you want to go in army?
Yeah.
Great, good. Okay, and how are you all? How are you? So please tell something about yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Umayado and I live in PKT Malak, and nowadays I am doing graduation and
Are you doing graduation from Lucknow or?
from yes sir, from Lucknow.
So today you are in your school dress.
Yes sir.
So every day do you go to school?
Yes sir, if I have some work in my class.
Some work means school like?
When my classes were running that time.
When your classes run, then you go.
Yes sir.
So are you regular student?
Yes sir, I am regular student.
So what are your subjects in your course in graduation?
My subject is psychology, home science and English.
And your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English is your favorite subject. You talk in English?
Yes sir.
Do you teach English anyone?
Yes sir, I can teach English.
You can or do you teach? I am asking.
Yes, I teach English.
Whom do you teach?
I teach small children.
Small children. In your family?
Yes sir, sometimes I teach my brothers.
Sometime you teach
Yes,
your
sir.
brother. So does your brother study?
Yes sir, when he wants when he have got a work in his school, so when he cannot solve, so he help.
And what do you want to become? What is your dream? What is your goal?
Sir, I want to become a English teacher.
You want to become an English teacher. Great. My competitor. What do you think? How are you?
I'm fine, sir. And what about you?
I am very happy today. When I see you, I become more happy.
Thank you.
Because the meaning of your name is happiness. So please introduce yourself.
Morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Kusran. I'm from Sultanpur.
Can you speak loudly?
Morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Kusran and I am from Sultanpur. I have completed my diploma and now I pursuing BTech in final year civil engineering.
From which college are you doing?
SR Group of Institution.
I am doing BTech from SR.
I am doing BTech from SR Group of Institution.
So what is your name is Khusran? What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, my name meaning is loss.
The meaning of my name is
The meaning of my name is loss.
loss. The meaning of your name is loss.
Loss.
So are you gaining something in your life? Gain means प्राप्त करना. Are you gaining something in your life or
Yes, sir.
you are losing everything?
No, sir. I think this is only name and
This
not
is the
affected
only
me.
name.
Not affected me any.
So are you gaining weight?
Yes, sir.
Are you gaining weight? वजन बढ़ रहा है? Are you gaining weight?
Yes, sir. Because at that time I have already every day I take non-veg because my partner cook like to every day non-veg.
So you are non-vegetarian. How many of are you non-vegetarian? You are non-vegetarian. You are also. So why are you raising your hand? And anybody who is non-vegetarian, only you are non-vegetarian. Okay, no problem. You can take non-veg. India has got freedom in 1950, 1947. आज़ाद हो गया था. उसके बाद आप कुछ भी खा सकते हैं. हम आज़ाद हैं. इतना संघर्ष की आज़ादी के लिए. So please tell something about yourself.
My name is Priya Yadav. I live in Malak, BKT, and now I am doing graduation from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
So, what do you think about English? What is the importance of English?
I think English is international language. In every field we need learn English. If we don't know English, so we can't do anything. If you want to do grow in our life, so English is as like food.
English is like a food, means we need to improve our English. So
Yes,
how
sir.
are you improving your English?
I'm improving English by the reading book and listening audio.
Listening audios. Like which type audios do you listen?
Sometimes I listen English songs and I listening Sadhguru audio and
Audios,
Yes, sir.
videos you watch. And what you want to become?
I want to become a teacher, professor teacher.
Teacher, professor, teacher. Means professor you want to become. Which subject teacher you want to become?
English subject.
English subject teacher. Good, great. And how are you?
Fine, sir.
How are you feeling?
Better.
Feeling better?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Are you always happy?
Yes, sir. I am always happy.
What did you take today in the morning?
Breakfast,
Breakfast. Like what did you take in breakfast?
bananas, apple.
Banana, apple.
Yes.
All the fruits you have taken in the morning?
Yes, sir.
In breakfast you take fruits only?
No, sir. I take tea and other some fruits.
चाय
I
पीनी
take-
चाहिए।
Yes, sir.
हर किसी को everybody should
No,
take
sir.
tea?
No, sir. But everybody habit because of tea take.
तो everybody should take tea.
No, sir.
गीता में भी कहा गया है अहम चापी तोयम चापी। हमें भी चाय पीनी चाहिए, आपको भी चाय पीनी चाहिए। Do you like tea?
No, sir. I don't like tea.
Coffee do you like?
No, sir. I don't like milk and I don't like tea.
So what do you like?
Sir, I like juice.
You like juice? Good. So which fruit juice do you like? Which
Sir,
juice do you
mango.
take? Mango juice. Mango juice. Mango shake.
Mango.
Mango shake. Mango juice.
The mango shake and
So please tell something about yourself.
My name is Jagrit Verma. I have completed intermediate from BKT Inter College. Nowadays, I am doing BA.
Okay. And what you want to become?
Sir, I want to become an IAS officer.
Good. Great. So what are you doing for becoming IAS officer?
Sir, I want to work in education, especially poor children.
Okay. Good. So will you open your any school after becoming IAS officer?
Yes, sir. I try to improving education in primary school because nowadays I feel not good education in there.
So will you stay in my touch after becoming IAS officer, or
Yes,
will
sir.
you forget me?
Sir, I remember you.
You will remember me.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. I hope you should become IAS officer soon. And how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So please introduce yourself. Tell something about yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Silpi Yadav. I am doing BSc from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Girls PG College. I live in Chhathe Mil Taraiya.
So what are your subjects in BSc?
Sir, this year.
This year you are in final year.
Yes, sir.
So
This is
what are your subjects?
Botany and zoology.
Botany and zoology.
Yes, sir.
So after BSc what will you do? What would you like to do after BSc? Will you do MSc?
Yes, sir.
I will do MSc.
I will do MSc.
In which subject?
Sir, botany.
Botany you will do. And what are your other goals you want to achieve in your
I
life?
want to become, sir, skin specialist.
Skin.
Yes,
Skin.
sir. Skin specialist.
Skin specialist. You want to
Yes.
become a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Skin specialist you want to become.
Yes, sir. Dermatologist.
So what is the word?
Dermatologist.
So dermatologist we use. That is skin specialist. And any other things you like to be? Any other goals, dreams?
No, sir.
What your parents want to make you?
Sir, skin specialist. Sir, my maternal uncle is a
Suggested me.
yes. My maternal uncle is a skin specialist. That's why my parents.
They also suggested you that you should also
Skin
become a doctor.
Yes.
Great. Okay. And please introduce yourself. You are looking very happy today after seeing camera.
Yes, sir. My name is Rupani Verma. I live in Bali.
What do you do in your study? What are you doing?
I'm doing
I'm doing
IAS officer.
You want to be, I want to become IS officer.
Yes, I want to become IS officer.
So present time, which course are you doing? Which course are you doing present time?
Present time, the English speaking course. And
I am learning English.
I am learning English and graduation and BA graduation.
So you are doing graduation also.
Yes.
Okay, great. Please tell something about yourself.
My name is Pratipa. I live in Akohri, BKT Lucknow, and present time I am doing graduation.
Yes. And what is your dream? What you want to become?
So I want to become a medical line. Present time I am searching, learning job, and then.
You are searching job.
Yes, I am learning. सब
You-
learning के लिए.
So you are getting training.
Yes sir.
For which type jobs are you getting training?
Nurse type.
अच्छा nurse.
Yes.
Nurse types.
Sir, sorry sir.
You want to become a nurse.
Yes sir.
Great. Okay. How are you? Your name is Aarti.
Yeah.
So today is your first day. So how are you feeling? कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सर
आप हिंदी में बता सकती हैं कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
सर सही लग रहा है लेकिन थोड़ा
डर लग रहा है, हेजिटेशन हो रहा है, होगा अभी आज मुश्किल है और कल और मुश्किल होगी, लेकिन परसों आसान हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो जो डर लग रहा है ना, ये डर इसलिए लग रहा है बिकॉज यू हैव नेवर डन दिस टाइप एक्टिविटीज अर्लियर। इसके पहले आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया है, इसीलिए लग रहा है। ठीक है, और ऐसा हर किसी के साथ लगता है। ये जितने सारे लोग बैठे ना यहाँ, डर लगता था अर्लियर। वर यू फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम? इट हैपेंस विद एवरीबॉडी, हर किसी के साथ होता है। तो प्लीज टेल समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ आरती, कुछ बताइए अपने बारे में।
सर
व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम? क्या बनना चाहती हैं आप? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम?
सर
आई वांट टू बिकम।
I want to become a doctor.
यू वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर?
Yes.
विच टाइप डॉक्टर? फिजिशियन और स्पेशलिस्ट? दो डॉक्टर होते हैं, फिजिशियन होता है और एक स्पेशलिस्ट होता है। विच टाइप डॉक्टर डू यू वांट टू बिकम? नॉट डिसाइडेड येट, अभी डिसाइड नहीं किया। ओके, यू कैन डिसाइड लेटर, आप डिसाइड कर सकती हैं। ठीक है, सो आई होप एवरीबडी मस्ट हैव एंजॉयड। ओके, एंड कीप टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश। इट वाज जस्ट अ introduction class. We should connect each other. There are many activities that we keep doing. So thank you so much. We'll do up to here.